In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the WhatsApp app to your laptop or computer. So let's jump into it. So the first thing that you need to do is open up a web browser. So I've opened up Google Chrome here and I'm going to search for WhatsApp web. So search that in and you then should see the first result will be WhatsApp web. So it'll be web.whatsapp.com. Go ahead and click on that. And if you're not logged in, it will take you to just the home screen of WhatsApp. If you are logged in, you are going to need to log out. There'll be a settings cog in the bottom left. Click on that, then click log out. Now, here we are on their website and we can actually download using this download button. So click on this. And then from here, we can go ahead and download the application. I'm just going to put it in my downloads folder. So click save and then open up the installation wizard. And then once this installation wizard is open, it's going to retrieve it from the Microsoft Store in most cases. So after the system requirements have been checked, it will then start the download and the installation process. So just be patient, wait about a minute for this to install. So once that has installed, it should open up this window. We can go ahead and then click get started. And it's going to prompt you to scan this QR code from your phone. So what I'm going to do now is go to the phone and show you how you can scan it and essentially log in. So then once you've opened up WhatsApp on your phone, you need to go to settings in the bottom right hand corner. And then here you should then see, if you look for it, linked devices. So it's going to be at the bottom of the second section. Click on linked devices, then click link device. And what will happen is once you've enabled your Face ID, you can go ahead and scan this QR code. So click OK and then just hold the camera to the QR code and it will scan it. And then on your computer, in a second, you can see it will log in. Give this device a name on your phone. I'm just going to put here PC. Click save. And now on your computer, you should see all of your WhatsApp chats and you should be successfully logged in.